Hello, this is Tricia from Machinery Consultants, and we're about to video the standard modern 13-inch by 33-inch engine lathe. These are high quality tools that are made in Canada, and the parts are supported. And the serial number is 11242, and this is a 1991 machine. And it comes with this Anilam Miniwizard 2-axis DRO. 8-inch 4-jaw. It's got a taper attachment on it. And quick change tool post, 5 holders. The ways are hardened, and it also has a thread chasing dial and a micrometer bed stop. I think is in here. There's the tag on it. Okay, let's look at the machine up close, and then Frank will run it for us. It's really good. The ways show that it's had very little use. What you doing?
I'm changing fast and the slow
okay.
ranges.
Is that how you do it?
Yeah. I'm going to take a video of that.
Show me what you were doing.
Okay. Push in for slow. Right there. And then high.
Great,
which
thank
is
you.
fast range.
Okay, thanks.
$260.
but sure. Well, I think that about concludes our video. And I'm going to let you see in these cabinets real quick. We have the electrical panel. And the spindle speeds on this RPM chart, it will do half of them because of the motor. So it has 12 changes and it's 60 hertz. So the spindle speeds that you can do on this lathe currently are 46, 66, 100, 140, 180, 260, 395, 565, 840, 1200, 1540, and 2200, which is where we just ran it. So we have a few people interested in this machine, and if you are interested, please give us a buzz at 801-531-9500. Thank you for your interest.